Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this week I'm going to show you how I set up the dessert table for my son's Paw Patrol themed birthday party. I use mostly items from the dollar store for this table, and I think the entire thing cost me under $20. So I'm excluding, of course, the cost of food, just the decor and all the labels and everything like the tablecloth. It all cost me under $20. I have the templates for everything that I made available in my description box for free if you want, so you can download that there. And I'm basically just going to show how I set up this dessert table from start to finish. So if you're interested, check it out, stick around, and let's get started. So you're going to want to start with laying out your tablecloth on your table. I got this navy blue fabric cloth from Hobby Lobby for $2.50. It was in the clearance aisle. Now if you can't find anything in clearance at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, then you can always just go to the Dollar Tree and buy a plastic tablecloth for $1. So next I just laid this crystal cake stand in the center. This is what my cake is going to sit on, and this is going to be the focal point of the dessert table. Usually the cake is the focal point. If you don't have like a nice cake stand at home, I made cupcake stands for this dessert table, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit. You can just make another one of those as your cake stand. Next, I bought these baby blue baskets from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put decor items on both of them on either side of the cake. So on my dessert tables, I always like to add an accent tablecloth that is in a different, colors. So I got this one from Walmart in the clearance aisle for $1.50, and it just brought a lot of color to the dessert table. So if you can't find something in clearance at Hobby Lobby or Walmart, then just go to the Dollar Tree and buy a plastic tablecloth in a different and lighter color than what your tablecloth underneath is. So next I just added 2 red cupcake stands that I made using Dollar Tree items. So for these cupcake stands, I bought 2 red plates from the Dollar Tree and these 2 candle holders. I just put E6000 glue on the top of the candle holders and glued those on the back side of the plates. You want to then allow these to dry overnight so that the glue is strong. And then I just took red spray paint that I bought from Walmart, and I spray painted only the crystal base. I didn't spray paint the plates because they were already red. So next I added these 3 flat plates that I got from the Dollar Tree as well to the very front of the table. Now you can see this creates 3 levels at the dessert table. There's the very front flat portion, there's a middle portion, and then at the very back where I have the taller portion. You can also see that there's a lot of symmetry. Whatever I put on one side, I tried to put on the other side. It's just more pleasing to the eyes. So I like to do dessert tables like this, but if you want, you can put different items on both sides, but I just think it's more pleasing and, prettier to look at. So next you want to add your decor items to the very back. Ours was a Paw Patrol theme party, so I made a fire hydrant, and I'm going to have a link for that in the description box, a whole video on how I made the fire hydrant, just because I don't want this video to be too long. So if you're interested in that, go in the description box and you can find the link for that there. So now I'm just going to show you how I created the decor piece for the other blue basket. So first you're just going to want to download these templates that I have available in the description box of the pups, and then the little doggy bones that say happy birthday, and they have my kids' names on them, but the ones that you can download in the description box below just say happy birthday on them. And I don't have the numbers available there because I don't know which numbers you guys would all need. So it's just the pups and the doggy bones with happy birthday on them. So first you're just going to want to cut out all those templates, and then next I got these cute little star-shaped bowls from Hobby Lobby. 4th of July had just gone by, so this was the 4th of July stuff that they had left over, and it was all on 90% off clearance. I got these for about 50 cents. I got 6 of them for 50 cents. If you can't find something like this at Hobby Lobby, then you can easily go to the Dollar Tree, and they have cute little baskets in different colors, or even those cardboard boxes, and you can buy that. Next, you're also going to want to get confetti in different colors from the Dollar Tree. I got pink, red, yellow, and blue. And then I also got these straws from Hobby Lobby, same 90% off clearance section for about 20 cents. So once again, if you can't find this, just go to Dollar Tree and get straws in whatever color. They have many different varieties there. So this is pretty simple to make. Just glue one of the straws in each of the colored baskets. And next I added the color confetti in each of the baskets according to whatever pup I was going to put. So for Rebel, I put yellow, for Sky I put pink, for Marshall I put red, and then of course for Chase I put blue. Next, just using my glue gun, I glued the pups to each one of the straws. Then above each of the pups' heads, I glued one of the doggy bone happy birthday signs. And that's pretty much it. So then I just took a silver tray that I had in my house, and then using more of that colored confetti that I had left over, I just laid some confetti in each one of the colors of the pups, and then I put their the decor pieces in there with that. This was actually really simple to make and such a cute little decor piece, and it brought so much color to the dessert table, so I highly recommend this. It was so easy to make and inexpensive. So next I just wanted to add some water bottles to the center of the dessert table. So download the templates below, cut them out, wrap it around your water bottle, and just stick some tape on it. So it's super simple and it looks really cute. So next I just made really cute colorful labels for the Rice Krispie treats, as well as toothpicks for the cupcake. So for this you're going to need to download this template below, and I think I printed about 3 copies of this. So for the cupcake toppers, it's really simple. Just take a toothpick and glue each one of the pups to one of the toothpicks. Next, for the Rice Krispie treats, I cut out strips of cream and yellow cardstock paper. They were measured 2 inches by 6 inches, and then I just glued those around my Rice Krispie treat, and then just using a regular glue stick, I glued one of the pups to the very front of the Rice Krispie treat. So next I just wanted to add some loose candy to the dessert table as well. So I got this pack of 2 blue baskets from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put one on either side near the cupcake stands, and I'm going to put the star-shaped bowls that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to fill them with my loose candy, and I'm going to put 2 on top of the blue basket and 2 directly in front of it. So I did put this on the dessert table, but I also made food labels, and I just wanted to really quickly show how I did that. So I just bought some decorative, well actually I had it at home, but you can buy decorative cardstock paper from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They sell them individually, and you want to cut out, so I did 9 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So cut that out, fold it in half, and then inside there you want to glue cream cardstock paper, and that's going to measure 7 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and then that's going to be your food label. So I just glued one of the pups that I had extra templates from earlier, just glue one of the pups on the left side of the food label, and then just using a marker I wrote in all the food items and the dishes that we had. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, if you want to see any of the other Paw Patrol related decor that I did for the party, go in the description box below. There's a playlist available over there with all the other decor that I made. And the desserts on this table, I bought all of them from Walmart, the cupcakes, the gummy bear treats, as well as the Rice Krispie treats. And the templates are all available in the description box below as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you see all my latest tutorials, and I will see you guys in another video, God willing. Bye!